What's up, man?
Not much, man. What you need?
I just need a dime bag.
Alright.
Yeah, that's what's up. Yeah. Dude, what's up?
Shit, not much, man. I'm in a kind of a hurry.
You're in a hurry?
Yeah.
You gotta go.
So I gotta go help them out, man.
Who's them?
You know, my cousin and them.
That's cool. Dude, let me tell you this shit. My dad got this fucking cereal. It's called Kashi. And it's like frosted mini wheats or some shit, but it's cinnamon. It's really fucking good. We're only supposed to eat one fucking bowl of it because it's high in fiber. And if you eat more than one bowl, you'll shit your pants. And I've been shitting my fucking pants, believe me. I know this shit. I ate like 6 bowls yesterday. Alright? And this shit's not fucking normal shit. It's like, you can't just take a normal ass shit. You know, just, and then you're done. It's like fucking an atomic bomb went off in my fucking rectum and is leaking out, you know? It's fucking horrible. And my asshole hurts. My ass is getting raw from wiping. So now I've stopped to, you know, just going into the shower after I did spread my cheeks like this and let the water run down my ass, you know, and let it all come out. And the shit's like, the shit looks like, when I look into the toilet bowl, it looks like Sasquatch came in there and took a big ass shit in my fucking toilet, you know? You get me? And this shit's not, it's not cool. It's gross. It's like fucking a fruitcake, like all crumbled up in my toilet. And it's got like sesame seeds and fucking pieces of oranges and shit in it. It's not even fucking funny, dude. You mean you get this where I'm coming from? And I have to go to therapy over this shit. I don't know what the fuck I'm gonna do. What would you do?
I don't know, man. I gotta go. Get the fuck out of here, dude.
You're a bad, bad fucking man. I hate you, asshole.
Motherfucker, get out of here. My grandma sucks cock.